National Sports University, Manipur na Ahanba Oina Sinduna East Zone Inter-University Women's Football amadi Men's Badminton Tournament mathang tha amadagi phaoba amadi taruktagi tara phauba Pangthoklagani haina University asigi officiating Vice Chancellor Usha Nair na phongdorakli. Association of Indian Universities AIU gi meeting makhada pangthokadaba tournament asigi matangda ngasi khuman lampakta leiba University asigi conference hall da pangthokpa pawgi mifam amata wafam asi phongdokladuna Usha Nair na makha chana hai University asina Ahanba Oina silaga pangthokadawriba nupigi East Zone Inter-University Football Tournament amadi nupagi East Zone Inter-University Badminton Tournament ase yamna singthaningai oiba amani mathang thagi amadagi manga phauba chathagadawriba nupigi football tournament asida leibak asigi tongan be University kunthra romgi team singna lamba tawngakani tournament asida state asigi University ahum yauna North East region tagi University nipana saruk yakani tournament asigi match sing ase kuman lampak men stadium yauna ground marida match sing sanakani tournament ase hongdokpagi thauramna mathang tha amada yaski director T Fulen jingbana saruk yaduna pangthokani amaromda mathang thagi taruktagi tarada chathagadaba nupagi East Zone Inter University tournament asida leibak asigi tongan be University homfur romgi sanaroi chamri romgi saruk yakani tournament asida India gi maming leiraba sanaroi kaya yauraba yari tournament asida saruk yakadaba sanaroi singit laifam chafam ningthina thaurang tawri tournament ase NSU Manipur na Ahanba sinba ama oibana tournament ase mai paknaba honabada state asigi yamna mateng pangbiyo haina mahana makha takhe.
This marks the first time NSU is hosting an event of such scale, a testament to our dedication to promoting sports excellence and providing a national platform for student athletes to compete. We are excited to facilitate this gathering of talent and to foster spirit of competitive sportsmanship within the university sports community. National Sports University warmly invites sports fans, students and supporters to join us in witnessing this landmark event. Together, let us cheer on these exceptional young athletes as they showcase their skill, determination, and unifying power of spirits.
Tawdriba tournament se kanogina football ni na date 1 dagi hogadaba November gi aduga badminton gi na 6 dagi hogadaba football ni je koina ground je marini main stadium kumalapa gi main stadium ne aduga sida RCC ground na ko gi ground ni maga kumalapa manungda ta football ground je koina mari badminton je na ko gi indoor stadium sai gi kap ko gi kano manungda kumalapa manungda leba indoor stadium tawdaba adu makoi gi accommodation leba gi se ko dum hostel sila ko gi sigi youth hostel ko gi kano gi yaski hostel sila player ga gina aduga koi official ga gina koi hostel sinba tournament se koi expect to wasi yamna talented players yaw gani abiga salai maram di notice koi each zone je koi cover to isi yam sound cover to all UP cover to notice mal jara West Bengal Odisha Bihar Jharkhand adagi Chhattisgarh UP aduna each zone araga su area ji yam sound cover to